kids. Stupid kids. Stupid stuff. Finally get back to work. What? Dude, what the heck?
Really?
I've been trying to get a hold of you all day. Dude, why are you wearing that mask?
Don't look at me, dude. It's cold outside. I want to protect my face. Dude, remember when we were having fun like 2 months ago? Got on the roof, slipped, I fell off the roof.
Dude, that was yesterday. Every single time
Don't
you
tell
do
me
this,
that was
all
yesterday.
the time.
Don't tell
You
me-
do
no.
this every time.
I do not do that every-
Yes, you. I don't remember this. Yes.
Gregg.
Excuse me?
Gregg.
Excuse me?
Gregg.
Excuse me?
Gregg.
Alright, just what the heck? Just make yourself at home. What?
The mask.
Oh my gosh. Are you Gregg?